Hi. Today we are going to create high-converting pop-up using Tapform. To start, click on Embed and scroll down to Pop-Up section and click Create Pop-Up. You can choose between two pop-up types, Small Pop-Up and Full Page Takeover Pop-Up. Every pop-up can be fully customized and adapted to your needs. For example, you can edit the title of your pop-up to display whatever you want. You can also edit the colors and style of your pop-up, like, for example, the button border radius. For every pop-up you create, you can control how and when it shows up. You can enable our Smart Exit Intent feature that will trigger the pop-up right before user decides to leave your website. You can also define a time after which the pop-up will be displayed, for example, 4 seconds. You can create as many pop-ups as you want, so let's create another one. This time we will create Full Page Takeover pop-up. For this pop-up, you can have a custom banner displayed at the top just by uploading an image you want. We can also edit the content of the pop-up. And same goes for the styling and colors. And for our takeover pop-up, let's set a timing rule to show it after 7 seconds and click Save. Our two pop-ups are ready, so let's go back to our website and check them out. And as you can see, after 4 seconds, the first pop-up is shown. After that, we can also see our takeover pop-up in place. And just like that, our website is now ready with pop-ups that will increase our conversion rates. See you in the next video.